we have a say in Ladakhi that Ladakh might be one of the only places on earth where you can get a sunstroke and a frostbite in the same day. And that's exactly what we saw. In the last half an hour, there was sunshine, snowing, overcast, everything. So, I mean, it's amazing, it's beautiful on the top of the world.
Can definitely feel it's starting to get a little bit chilly. We got the gloves. So we've just stopped. Guys, where are we?
We're almost at the top of Khardungla. We're like 5 minutes from the top.
We're 5 minutes from Karung Pass, which is the second highest motorway, eh?
Yeah, second highest, yeah.
Second highest motorway in the world.
In the world, yeah.
Second highest motorway in the world. Definitely feeling the cold. Oh, these gloves, don't know if they're working too well, but geez, the views are insane. We've got so much snow here. Wow.
Shelter me from the storm. What happened to those summer days? Just a haze. We were so unafraid. Got a feeling like winter. Can you melt me like ice? Ice, ice. On a hot summer's day. When I'm on my ice, ice, ice. Don't run away. Yeah, wanna go ice, ice, ice. Yeah, wanna go ice.
How are you doing, brother?
All good, wonderful. We are on the top of the world. It's like almost 18,000 feet above sea level.
Wow.
Khardungla.
Imran,
How's it going, buddy?
are you strong?
Yeah, I'm set, ready to go down, have a nice lunch. Yeah.
Are you hungry?
Guys, I am starving.
How was the ride so far?
Oh, the ride has been absolutely epic, and I'm nice and warm in this.
Yeah.
I just want to tell you, we're here with Frozen Himalaya. We are at what, 18,000?
Almost 18,000 feet, yeah.
18,982
feet.
Plus minus 18,000 feet. I mean, I don't really know what is that in meters. That's like 5,000.
Or above 5,070 meters.
You can feel the
Higher than any peak in Europe.
Wow. I've made it. I'm officially the highest person here in Ladakh, in Karung Pass. Sorry, sir. Can you take a picture of me, please? Picture? It's so cold. I wonder how cold it actually is, but wow, what an experience, eh? Absolutely blown away by this. We've just descended down into, what's the name of the village?
North Pulu. This is North Pulu.
We just descended down into North Pulu. The brothers were very quick down the mountain, eh? Have to stop for some tea, some chai. Eh? Chai.
Yeah, it's
Chai.
And the best part,
biscuit.
a little bicky.
Yeah, a sugar cake.
Just be careful, you can't donk for too long. Perfect. My hands are so cold. And then we've stopped for some fried rice.
Yeah.
I think this is going to bring all my energy back. I'm starving. I can have 3 plates of these. It's so good.
Yeah.
Wow. Bit of a spanner in the works. Gulzar's got a flat. closest town's 2 hours away. I think Gulzar might be staying in North Bulu tonight. Shame that's a nervous laugh for him. Oh wow, hey, what a standard. Yes, take. We lost a soldier. Happens. The roads in Ladakh are just ruthless. These things happen. Thank God no one's hurt or anything. Imran, we did it, brother. Day one.
What a fun.
Yeah! Woo! And of course, our fallen soldier. This is the full power man over here, eh?
Power 24 hours, no shower, no toilet. Hallelujah!
Dad, you have to give him 500.
Cool, that's fine.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Is that the shot?
That.
Do we get the shot?
We got the shot.
So, just through there, that's Pakistan, and that's Gulzar. Here's under enemy observation. Gulzar's not the enemy. Basically right now, Gulzar's gone way ahead of us. He's not feeling too well. Just done probably about plus minus 60 kilometers, 60 odd kilometers. We're heading back to Bunda. Probably going to have some chai there, maybe a little bit of a break, and then we're going to bag it to Pangong. Very excited. That's where the magic's going to happen. Right.
I've been looking for a change of state. I've been looking for a sign that I'm not too late. I've been searching for some peace of mind. I've been searching for someone that I won't find. Oh, Mozzie, will you be done waiting? I've climbed steep, but I'll be too late, too late, too late, too late. No, I'm never.
This is the accommodation in a tent, work set up, we're charging. Trying to make tea. Apparently this is supposed to be the warmest part of Ladakh. Can't believe this is the warmest because it's freezing. But accommodation looks super cozy. We've got a traditional Ladakhi it's not a Ladakhi meal. We have a traditional Bastali meal tonight. Gonna learn more about the people in the village here in Turtuk. Very interesting already from what I've heard, and hoping to share a bit more info. I can't hold this camera up anymore, it's too heavy. Imran, you know this man?
Oh, can't get rid of him now. Remember that there was no explanation for my bike getting a flat tire because it was a new tire. So my brother came up with a theory that just because I didn't take a shower that morning, I had a flat tire. How bizarre! How bizarre!
How bizarre. So it's day 3 of the trip. We're in a little village called Turtuk. This is the last border between Ladakh, India and Pakistan. So peaceful here, so beautiful. Over there, those mountains behind me, that's Pakistan. And now we're going in to the village here with about 6,000 people. And we're gonna go meet all the Balstani people and learn about their ways here. Hello. Chula, salam alaikum. Right now we are sitting here at, what's the name of the hotel again?
Turtuk Holidays.
Cut, start again.
Okay.
Right now, oh, are you cutting?
Yes, no.
Oh, we go. Right now we are sitting at,
Recording Nan pin, it's recording.
and Nikita, can you just give us a clap, please? Right now we are sitting here at Turtuk Holidays. Nikita, our architect, thank you for joining us. We are having a traditional Balti breakfast. The ladies have so generously cooked us a meal. We're having buckwheat pancakes. Right now you're on camera, you must smile. And yeah, just very grateful for this experience. Frozen Himalayas have knocked this out the park. Look what we are eating. Wow! We've got cornflakes. We've got eggs. We've got bananas. We've got fruit. We've got cakes.
We got buckwheat bread.
We've got coffee coming. We've got apparently scrambled eggs coming. We've got everything.
What is missing?
You know what?
Flowers, this feeling grows. There were flowers in the jungle. There were flowers, my feeling flows. There were flowers growing in the jungle.
Bullseye's not doing too well.
Yeah.
We've got some oxygen for him.
Yeah, he's very sick now. He's not used to do much adventure. So.
Too much adventure for him, eh?
Yeah. I think I was too fast. The
You
oxygen was for you actually. No.
So you only get a little bit of that oxygen, hey, because I still need it. I'm joking, I'm strong, you know, I'm Basha, I'm king here. Hey? Oh, this oak looks like he is. Oh, rest your eye. See, you know who you need now. You need Drishna. We're losing a soldier, but you know what? I feel like we don't.
I'm going to send you a selfie.
I feel like you know what? Now we can actually get stuff done because he's always Chad, picture. You know, new Tinder profile, picture, LinkedIn, picture. Cheers, brother. Mate. Mate. Jeez. It's it could be minus degrees. I always get it wrong, but like if you can see what I'm wearing double beanie, scarf, about probably 5 layers. Yeah, it's freezing cold. We just arrived actually at night. It was like sun was going down probably, and then I spoke to the border post and they were like, yeah, it's 40 kilometers till you get to Pangong. I'm like, okay, 40 kilometers, but it's windy roads. Oh my word. It was freezing cold coming here. So scary. Couldn't see anything in front of me. And the roads are so narrow, so you got cars flying at you. Very dangerous, actually. But I made it. We made it. We just don't have accommodation. We've tried 4 places. And yeah, they're all full. Pangong Lake is obviously a hot spot for tourists. And yeah, just absolutely freezing. I've been told to wait in the car. And all I want is actually some chai, some tea, maybe some Maggi noodles. My whole body hurts. Jeez. I see why it's called Frozen Himalaya. Hopefully we can take some time lapses of the stars. We've got literally no energy. We've been driving on a bike for I think 10 hours. We left at 10 o'clock. We left at 10 a.m. this morning, 10:45. The time now is... I'm holding the camera. I can't even look. Let me look. The time now is... 8:52. So yeah, 11 something hours, 10 and a half hours on the bike. My balls hurt, my back sore, my bum sore. And we're probably going to be sleeping in the car tonight. Gulzar's gone home, probably chilling in bed now, watching Netflix. Oh, I don't need that. I like the adventure. I like not knowing what's going on. Do we have accommodation? Let's hear it. Come speak to the camera.
We did found something,
We've got.
but very basic accommodation, and yeah, but at least we don't have to spend the night outside.
So we're not going to sleep in the car tonight, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Basic accommodation. Are we going to be cuddling?
No cuddling, please.
Sorry, Imran doesn't cuddle the guys.
I only cuddle women.
Only women.
You know, women, they, I mean, it has to be, you know, like a really hot women. Otherwise,
So I'm not hot enough. What? Did this not turn you on, Imran?
no.
No.
Okay, so we did found something, but it's actually very basic accommodation where drivers actually sleep. So, but at least he agreed that he'll feed us some food, and yeah, I mean, at least we have something. I mean, we shouldn't complain now. I mean, Pangong is packed, and my strong recommendation: don't come to Pangong if you don't have the booking in advance. Yeah.
Okay, yalla, let's go chow. So we found a place to sleep. We're sleeping next door basically, but this family have very generously offered to feed us tonight. So yeah, sitting down here, random gent next to me. Yeah.
This guy made me ride almost 8 hours today, and I think I'm completely exhausted. But I'm really happy finally we got to Pangong and we got this opportunity to, you know, have a wonderful dinner with the locals. Of course, we had no bookings, but yeah, I'm still happy. Look what we have. We have a wonderful family and they're feeding us, and hopefully they'll feed us in the morning as well. Wow, the food is yum.
We are in our homestay tonight. It's a homestay. It's a room.
It's a homestay. Yeah.
We're in a homestay. We had a delicious. Did you hear what I just said? Delicious. The altitudes got into my head. We had such a delicious meal with that Ladakhi family. Such cute children. I'm very full now. Now we've literally just come next door, and this man has given us a room for the night. Imran looks like he's about to pass out. Little does he know we still have some content to create. He's like, oh, this damn content. Anyway, I'll be sleeping here tonight. I don't know where we charging the equipment.
We don't have anything to charge.
Currently stuck in the middle of Pangong Lake. Altitude's definitely getting to me. I've got a proper headache. Got 150 kilometers to go home. It's quite far. Brother Imran's got a big rock. Go. Jesus.
Our car got stuck in the sand. I'm so much ready to jump on the bike. And if you get, you know, like, I mean, I was so excited to jump on the bike, and then the car got stuck, and then, you know, you had to go get some help, it took some time, we wasted time, but we are ready to go again, and now I am going to stop only after 30 kilometers.
Got it.